Imagine Earth long, long ago. We're talking millions of years, even before the dinosaurs. Back then, the continents were all clumped together in a supercontinent called Pangaea. The climate was much hotter than today, with vast deserts stretching across the land. Life did exist, but not as we know it. Early reptiles, the distant ancestors of dinosaurs, were just starting to appear. These creatures were small, agile, and scurried around in the undergrowth. They were overshadowed by larger, more ancient animals like giant amphibians and mammal-like reptiles. The Permian period, as it's called, was a time of great change. Volcanic eruptions and other natural disasters caused the largest mass extinction in Earth's history. Over 90% of all species vanished, wiping the slate clean for new life to evolve. From the ashes of this extinction, the age of dinosaurs would eventually dawn. After the Permian extinction, a new era began, the Triassic period. Life began to recover and diversify. Among the survivors were those early reptiles. They were adaptable and quickly took advantage of the newly available resources. These early reptiles weren't dinosaurs yet, but they were their ancestors. They evolved into many different forms, some becoming herbivores, others carnivores. They were still relatively small, but they were evolving crucial adaptations. One key development was the evolution of an upright posture. Instead of sprawling out to the sides, their legs were positioned directly beneath their bodies. This seemingly simple change was revolutionary. It allowed for more efficient movement, greater speed and agility. These early reptiles were now better equipped to hunt, escape predators, and explore new territories. They were on the cusp of something extraordinary. Around 230 million years ago, during the Triassic period, the first true dinosaurs evolved from their reptilian ancestors. These weren't the colossal titans we often imagine. The earliest dinosaurs, like Herrerasaurus and Eoraptor, were small and light, only about the size of a dog. What set them apart were subtle but significant skeletal differences, particularly in their hips and legs. These differences gave them an advantage over their rivals. They were faster, more agile, and better adapted to the changing environment. Over millions of years, dinosaurs continued to evolve and diversify. They spread across Pangaea, branching out into different species with unique adaptations and lifestyles. The age of dinosaurs had truly begun. The Triassic period was a time of intense competition. Dinosaurs weren't the only animals vying for dominance. Giant crocodilians and other fearsome reptiles ruled the land and water. However, a series of natural disasters shook the world once again. Volcanic eruptions, climate change, and shifting continents led to another mass extinction at the end of the Triassic. These events, while devastating, paved the way for the dinosaurs' rise to power. Many of their competitors were wiped out, leaving behind ecological niches for dinosaurs to fill. They were the ultimate survivors, ready to inherit the Earth. The Jurassic period marked the beginning of the dinosaurs' reign. With their competitors gone, dinosaurs exploded in size and diversity. They evolved into a dazzling array of forms, from the long-necked plant-eating sauropods like Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus to the fearsome predators like Allosaurus. The Jurassic was a time of giants. Sauropods, in particular, reached staggering sizes, some exceeding 100 feet in length and weighing over 50 tons. These gentle giants roamed the earth, their long necks reaching high into the treetops to graze on leaves. The Jurassic was a time of lush forests, vast plains, and warm, shallow seas. Dinosaurs thrived in this environment, becoming the dominant animals on land. The Cretaceous period witnessed the peak of dinosaur diversity. New species evolved, each with its own unique adaptations and strategies for survival. This was the time of the iconic Tyrannosaurus rex, the horned Triceratops, the armored Ankylosaurus, and the duck-billed hadrosaurs. Dinosaurs weren't just getting bigger, they were getting smarter too. Some species, like the raptors, developed larger brains and complex social behaviors. They hunted in packs, using coordinated strategies to bring down prey much larger than themselves. The Cretaceous also saw the appearance of flowering plants, which added a new dimension to dinosaur diets and ecosystems. The world was a vibrant and dynamic place, teeming with life in all its forms. For over 180 million years, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. They were the undisputed masters of their domain, their reign spanning the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods. They adapted to a variety of environments, from scorching deserts to dense forests. They evolved into countless shapes and sizes, filling every ecological niche available to them. Their success was due to a combination of factors, including their upright posture, efficient metabolisms, and remarkable adaptability. They were perfectly suited to the world they inhabited, and their reign seemed unchallengeable. However, as we know, even the mightiest empires can fall. About 66 million years ago, a cataclysmic event occurred that would forever change the course of life on Earth. A massive asteroid, estimated to be about 6 miles wide, slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula in what is now Mexico. The impact triggered widespread wildfires, tsunamis, and earthquakes. The impact released billions of tons of dust and debris into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun and plunging the Earth into a global winter. Temperatures plummeted, plants withered and died, and the food chain collapsed. The dinosaurs, despite their long reign and incredible adaptations, could not survive this global catastrophe. The reign of the dinosaurs came to a sudden and dramatic end, marking the end of the Mesozoic era and the beginning of the Cenozoic era, the age of mammals. Though the dinosaurs are gone, their legacy lives on. Their fossils found on every continent provide a window into a lost world. They tell a story of evolution, adaptation, and survival on an epic scale. The study of dinosaurs continues to fascinate and inspire us. It teaches us about the history of life on Earth, the interconnectedness of ecosystems, and the power of nature to both create and destroy. Though their reign is over, the dinosaurs continue to captivate our imaginations and remind us of the incredible diversity and resilience of life itself.